Unleash your inner speaker. Master public speaking today. Welcome to our inspirational videos. Today, we're diving deep into the art of public speaking, a skill that can transform your life. Get ready to unleash your inner speaker and conquer any stage. Practice your path to public speaking mastery. Practice is non-negotiable. It's the cornerstone of becoming a compelling speaker. It's not just about memorizing your lines, it's about internalizing your message and developing unshakable confidence. This means understanding the core of what you want to convey. Think of it like training for a marathon. The more you practice, the more endurance and skill you build. You wouldn't just show up on race day expecting to win, would you? You'd prepare diligently, you'd put in the miles, push your limits and refine your technique. This dedication is what sets you apart. Public speaking is no different. It requires the same level of commitment and effort. Every time you rehearse, you're conditioning your mind and body to perform at its best. This repetition builds muscle memory. Record yourself, analyze your delivery, and identify areas for improvement. This self-assessment is crucial. Embrace the process and watch your confidence soar. Each step forward is a victory. Experiment with different approaches, tones, and gestures. Find what resonates best with your audience. Commit to the practice and watch your public speaking skills reach new heights. The journey is as important as the destination. Know your audience, the key to connection. You can have the most incredible message, but if it's not tailored to your audience, it will fall flat. Understand who you're speaking to. What are their interests, needs, and aspirations? Put yourself in their shoes. When you connect with your audience on an emotional level, you create a bond that goes beyond words. Connect with their hearts and minds and watch your impact multiply exponentially. Body language, your secret weapon on stage. Communication is more than just words. It's a symphony of verbal and nonverbal cues working together to convey your message. Your body speaks volumes often before you even utter a single syllable. The way you move, the way you stand, and even the way you breathe can influence how your message is received. From your posture to your gestures, every movement sends a message. Open body language can make you appear more approachable and trustworthy. Stand tall, shoulders back, and chin up. This not only projects confidence but also helps you feel more confident. Project confidence with your stance and own the stage. Command the space around you and let your presence be felt. Maintain eye contact with your audience. This creates a connection and shows that you are engaged and sincere. Use gestures purposefully to emphasize key points and add energy to your delivery. Your hands can be powerful tools to illustrate your message. Avoid fidgeting or distracting movements that can undermine your message. Stay focused and composed to keep your audience's attention. Use your body language wisely, and watch your audience hang on your every word. Mastering this skill can transform your public speaking and make you a more effective communicator. Master your content. Speak with authority and clarity. Choose a topic you're passionate about, something that lights you up from the inside out. When you speak about something you truly care about, your enthusiasm becomes infectious. When you're genuinely excited about your message, that energy will captivate your audience. They'll be drawn to your passion and more likely to engage with your content. Structure your speech logically with a clear beginning, middle, and end. This helps your audience follow along and understand your key points. Use stories, anecdotes, and examples to illustrate your points. These elements make your speech more relatable and memorable. Speak with clarity and authority. Your confidence will reassure your audience and make your message more compelling. Use strong verbs, vivid language, and a confident tone. This will help you convey your message powerfully and leave a lasting impression. Vary your pace and volume to keep your audience engaged. A dynamic delivery can make your speech more interesting and hold your audience's attention. When you speak with conviction, your audience will feel it, and they'll be more likely to embrace your ideas. Your passion and clarity can inspire and motivate them to take action. Control your pace and tone. Keep your audience engaged. Your voice is an instrument, and like any instrument, it needs variation to create a captivating melody. Vary your pace and tone to emphasize key points and keep your audience engaged. Slow down for important ideas, speed up slightly for moments of excitement, and use pauses strategically for impact. Practice modulating your tone to convey different emotions. Let your voice reflect the message you're delivering. Use it wisely, and watch your audience hang on your every word. Embrace your power, become a public speaking master. Congratulations, you've now unlocked the secrets to mastering public speaking. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing, keep refining your skills, and keep pushing yourself to grow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. See you next time.